Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really pretty spring wreath for just under $14. I found this really pretty wreath on Pinterest from Girl Loves Glam and it was my inspiration. So to start, you'll need a wreath form. Mine is square and I do not like it. I would have preferred a round one. Ribbon of your choice. Mine is 4-inch black and white, and then flowers. I did a bunch of the bright pink peonies from Walmart for 97 cents, and then also kind of the champagne blush pink peonies for $6.98 from Walmart. You'll see I started by wrapping the ribbon all the way around the wreath. My ribbon did not cover the entire wreath and I was going to just let it go. So here I'm taking off all of the flowers that I wanted to use, but you'll see in a minute, I did not like the way this looked. Once you take the flowers off of the stems, you just kind of start putting them where you think you might like them. You have to play around with it and see what you would like. So you take a second and look at it, and then if you don't like it, switch it around. You'll see this is where I decided that I was not happy with the solid green, so I went and got some Dollar Tree burlap ribbon that I had on hand and was going to finish out the wreath that way. It actually ended up not covering the whole wreath, but it was okay. What was left open with the green, I ended up being able to cover up with flowers. When you're working with florals on a wreath, don't forget to use the leaves that came with the florals. That's what gives it a high-end look. I love this pink on pink and the black and white for spring. I think it's really fresh, but what would you guys have done? Would you have picked different colors? Let me know below. When you start gluing, make sure you glue all the way around the green, but also some of the petals. If the petals can stick together, it'll help the whole arrangement stick to the wreath more securely. You'll see here I weaved the leaves in and around the actual florals and then added florals around that. It just gives it a more cohesive and natural look. Y'all use what you've got sitting around and protect your fingers from the hot glue. It will burn. On this wreath, I used hot glue. If I were going to put it on my front door, I would probably use E6000 or something else. Hot glue will melt in the sun and it gets very sunny on our front porch. So just know that if you use hot glue, it will melt. And I did actually have a wreath fall apart in my car one day while I was waiting to deliver it to someone. While you're working on your wreath, make sure you hold it up and check it from the front periodically and from the side. Make sure that it looks the way that you want it to when it's going to be up on the wall, because looking down, it looks a little different. If you guys like videos like this, please give this one a thumbs up and please subscribe if you're new. If y'all make one of these wreaths or anything like it, please tag me on Instagram. It's Victoria_day and I would really love to see them. Alright y'all, that's it. I think it really turned out close to my inspiration. I really love it and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!